Asante sana wanabunge, naomba kuuliza swali ya kwamba kisha before kulikuwa na Linda Mama, hapo Wakenya wengi walisikia about Linda Mama. Hiyo Linda Mama ndio ilikuwa very efficient kusaidia wamama. Mbona ikatupiliwa mbali wakaleta SHA? Another thing, swali lingine ni kwamba unajua wakati unaelezea watu advantages ya kitu, it is better to give them the disadvantages so that they rate in between and I choose whether the service is right or wrong. Sindio bro? So the thing is, mbona watu kama polisi juzi wamecomplain kwamba kwa budget hakuja kuwa na SHA imewakava? Why don't you tell Kenyans also that? Because those police officers, they have families here. And these people are learned. As much as you are going to employ them, you need them. And you need to listen to them. Yes. Explain to one.
Number one, I'll start by saying here we have a government. We have a government na tuko na raia. Government wako na kiti yao. Nani anaelewa maana ya kiti? They have their own kitty for treatment. Wewe kama raia, if you do not have an insurance, be ready to pay bills. Be ready to pay bills. I'm just reminding you that. So SHA insurance is coming to cover a bill that you cannot pay. And even if you can pay that bill, if SHA can pay, allow SHA to work. Allow SHA to work. Second question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I just want to know, I agree with SHA, but I just want to know, is it catering for patient services, and if not, why?
SHA is very operational to all registered members. Either you're outpatient or inpatient, you deserve to get services. Hakuna shortcut on that. You deserve to get services.
Number 3.
Why is that 147?
Ongea kamera.
Star 147. It is for every citizen in Kenya, despite your profession.
Swali imeisha bwana.
Number 2, hapa nyuma ni SHA ambassador. Si kuajiriwa na serikali, ni kujituma through experience. Nilikuwa na mtoto mgonjwa wa Kenyatta pale kwa pediatric akiongezwa oxygen. SHA ikanilipia 67,200k. My sister and my brother stepped away. Hatuwezi lipa bill. They left me on a bill, on a serious note. So niko hapa na hizo bills mtazipitia. Pia nimesaidia watu wengi Kenyatta wakatoka na SHA. Moja yangu anaitwa Trisha Nyamira. I want us to see from experience. So SHA is very operational. The only issue that we are having is a lot of critics of politics. Jana nimemsikia rais kule Homa Bay akizungumza kuhusu SHA na aka-elaborate very well how SHA operates. Akatupea code ya malipo ya polepole ni star 147#. Kama uko hapo na smartphone.
Hospital, is it like other hospitals you don't get these through SHA?
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President is talking about SHA to the outpatient and the inpatient. So today, we have achieved 70% from 40. When Duale gained the office into healthcare, he has pushed it to 70, whereby it is giving services to the outpatient and the inpatient. It started when he came in April. So today I can testify all level 4, Mr. President. All level 4s are taking the outpatient and the inpatient. In front of the media today, I announced Mutuini sub-county level 4 in Dagoretti. They are taking outpatient and the inpatient. People of Dagoretti are very happy. So Omosh, mutanipeleka Omosh 1 hour. Take me to the hospitals around here. I will declare all level 4s zitawak kama venye the National Hospital inawak. Because number one, I'm pushing it and it is taking place. It is happening. Because I'm championing from experience. Na hizi vitu mmeona nikipeana hizo slips za matibabu. These are people that I discharged from Kenyatta and level 4 hospital without any payment, and SHA paid the whole amount. So leo hii kama uko hapa na uko na SHA na ungetaka nikusaidie venye na operate, talk to me. I'm not an enemy. Talk to me. I will help where I can. Asante. Thank you, Mr. President.
Kama nishawahi lipia mtu yeyote rent au watu wamesimama, Mr. Speaker, sijasema sijawahi lipia mtu rent. Oda tu. Unajua Mr. Speaker, watu kama Ken wakiendelea kuongea mimi lazima
No, I had a point.